Welcome back to Basic Money. Today, we're embarking on a detailed exploration of strategies aimed at maximizing your potential to double your money through investing. As always, remember that investing comes with inherent risks, and it's crucial to conduct thorough research while consulting with a financial advisor. Let's immerse ourselves in the intricacies of our first key strategy. 1. Diversify your investments. Diversification, often hailed as the bedrock of successful investing, entails spreading your investment capital across a spectrum of asset classes. Imagine your portfolio as a well-balanced ecosystem, each asset class playing a distinct role. Just as a diverse garden is more resilient to environmental changes, a diversified investment portfolio seeks to mitigate risks associated with market volatility. When we talk about diversification, it's not merely about spreading your investments haphazardly. It's a thoughtful allocation of resources across stocks, bonds, real estate, commodities, and possibly even venturing into global markets. This strategy aims to provide a level of insulation, ensuring that if one sector faces challenges, the performance of other investments can act as a stabilizer, potentially minimizing overall portfolio volatility. Crucially, diversification isn't solely about protecting against losses. It's a dynamic strategy that seeks to optimize gains while safeguarding against unexpected market fluctuations. The goal is to create a resilient portfolio that can weather various economic climates, providing a foundation for potential long-term growth. Before we go to our second tip, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. 2. Invest in education. Investing in yourself is a profound strategy that extends beyond the realms of finance. It involves cultivating a deep understanding of the intricate dynamics that drive investment decisions. Consider your financial education as a perpetual journey, a continuous process of refining your skills and adapting to the ever-changing financial landscape. Successful investors, the likes of Warren Buffett and Ray Dalio, didn't attain their status through guesswork. They dedicated substantial time to learning about market trends, economic indicators, and financial strategies. Similarly, your commitment to education becomes an ongoing investment, empowering you to make informed decisions and navigate the complexities of the investment landscape. When we talk about investing in education, it's not just about theoretical knowledge. It's about developing a practical understanding of how different investment vehicles work, honing your risk management skills, and gaining insights into effective market analysis. Your commitment to education becomes a strategic advantage, positioning you to adapt to evolving market conditions and make well-informed investment decisions. 3. Set clear financial goals. Setting clear financial goals isn't just a step in the investment process. It's a guiding principle that shapes your entire financial strategy. Let's take a deeper dive into this. Consider creating a comprehensive list of your financial objectives, both short-term and long-term. Short-term goals might include saving for a vacation, a new car, or an emergency fund, while long-term goals could involve major life events like buying a home, funding your children's education, or securing a comfortable retirement. Once you've outlined your goals, the next crucial step is to prioritize them. Not all goals are equal, and allocating your resources according to your priorities is key. This prioritization will play a significant role in determining your investment strategy. For example, short-term goals may necessitate a more conservative approach, focusing on capital preservation, while long-term goals may allow for a more growth-oriented strategy with a higher tolerance for risk. The dynamism of life means your financial goals will evolve over time. Regularly reassess and adjust your goals to ensure they align with your current life stage, financial situation, and broader aspirations. By making this an ongoing process, you create a financial roadmap that is adaptable and responsive to the changes in your life. 4. Practice patience and discipline. Patience and discipline are often mentioned in the context of investing, but let's dissect these concepts further to understand their profound impact on your financial success. Patience is not merely the ability to wait. It's the capacity to maintain composure and perspective during market fluctuations. Consider this. Market volatility is inevitable, and emotional reactions to short-term market movements can lead to impulsive decisions. Patience in investing means resisting the urge to make abrupt changes to your portfolio based on market noise or short-term trends. It involves embracing the long-term perspective and allowing your investments the necessary time to weather the storms and realize their full potential through the power of compounding. Discipline, on the other hand, is the ability to adhere to a predetermined investment plan, even in the face of uncertainty. It's about staying true to your established strategy and avoiding knee-jerk reactions that may compromise your long-term financial objectives. Discipline requires regular portfolio reviews and rebalancing based on your initial plan rather than reacting to emotional impulses. By practicing patience and discipline, you create a steady and resilient investment approach that can withstand the inherent volatility of the market. This disciplined mindset not only safeguards against emotional decision-making but also sets the stage for the long-term growth potential of your investments. 5. Employ tax-efficient strategies. Navigating the complexities of taxation is an integral part of maximizing your investment returns. Let's break down tax-efficient strategies to understand how they can influence your financial outcomes. Utilizing tax-advantaged accounts, such as individual retirement accounts, IRAs, or 401ks, can offer significant benefits. These accounts provide tax advantages, such as tax-deferred growth or even tax-free withdrawals in certain cases. Strategically allocating your investments across these tax-advantaged accounts can potentially minimize the impact of taxes on your overall returns. However, it's essential to recognize the rules and limitations associated with each type of account to optimize their benefits effectively. Another tax-efficient strategy is tax loss harvesting. This involves intentionally selling investments that have incurred losses to offset gains in other areas of your portfolio. By strategically managing your gains and losses, you may reduce your tax liability, freeing up more capital for future investments. Always consult with a tax professional to ensure your strategies align with current tax laws and regulations. Tax efficiency is a nuanced aspect of investing that requires careful planning to reap its full benefits. 6. Stay informed and adapt. In the fast-paced world of finance, staying informed is paramount. Beyond simply monitoring stock prices, it involves understanding economic indicators, geopolitical events, and emerging trends that can impact the financial markets. Let's delve deeper into this tip. Develop a routine for staying updated on market trends. This could involve regularly reading financial news, following reputable financial analysts, and participating in relevant online forums. Keep an eye on economic indicators, such as unemployment rates, inflation, and GDP growth, as they can provide insights into broader market trends. Adaptability is another key facet. Markets are dynamic and subject to change. Successful investors are those who can adapt their strategies in response to evolving circumstances. Regularly review your investment strategy, assess the performance of your holdings, and consider whether adjustments are needed to align with your financial goals and the current market environment. Moreover, be vigilant about technological advancements and innovations in the financial industry. Fintech developments, for example, can introduce new investment opportunities or streamline existing processes, influencing the landscape in which you operate. In summary, these tips serve as pieces in our comprehensive guide to potentially doubling your money through strategic investing. The intricate dance between taxation, market awareness, and adaptability underscores the dynamic nature of successful investing. If you found these in-depth tips valuable, show your support by giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel, and hitting the notification bell for more extensive financial insights. And, of course, always conduct thorough research and consult with a financial professional before making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching.